Because you have a very limited budget, are you confused about which keyboard mouse to buy?
तेरे पास कोई और रास्ता है?
So, your search is over. So without further ado, let's return to the video. Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will be doing an unboxing and review of the cheapest wireless keyboard and mouse for light gaming, business or office work from the well-known brand HP. Please watch the entire video to ensure that you have a complete understanding of this keyboard and mouse combo before deciding whether or not to purchase it. So let's see what's written over the box. There is a price label and it's made in China, month and year of import and model number is mentioned. DPI is 1200, it has a tilt stand, nano receiver. So this combo is USB plug and play device with 2.4 GHz wireless Bluetooth connection with long 10 meters of range. It has a professional optical sensor of 1200 dpi. For those who don't know what the dpi is, so the dpi stands for dots per inch and it is measure of dots that your mouse is able to read per linear inch of movement in one direction.
ये बड़ी अच्छी बात कही आप.
So the accuracy is fine here and has a smooth responsive cursor control with easy scrolling designed for professional or gaming use. It has a long battery life and the batteries last for around 1 year with normal daily use of around 6 hours.
2,000 years later.
So let's see inside the box. Let's remove the keyboard and mouse out. The mouse has a fantastic appearance and the quality is good for the price. There is one manual, warranty card, some papers, but who cares to read it? Let's put the battery in the mouse and keyboard. Mouse clicks are smooth and noiseless. Numlock and caps lock key is not there. That's the only downside. But I think that's perfectly fine with the ultra low price it comes at. Here you can see another brand keyboard and how hard the keys are in that keyboard. There is a low battery indicator on the keyboard. Whenever the battery runs out, it will indicate there. And the best part is it works with the mobile phones with OTG support too. So you can connect to your mobile phones and use it flawlessly. Additionally, your device mouse and keyboard will shut down automatically if the USB dongle is removed. It has intelligent dormancy function. The mouse and keyboard don't have an on or off switch. They automatically turns off when not in use to conserve the battery life. Now let's connect it to the laptop and see how it works and how about the feel and comfort it's providing in comparison with the traditional wired keyboard and mouse. Keyboard is pretty silent. And it comes with 1 year warranty from HP brand. So what's the drop keycap? Here the keys are shaped like drops to provide a comfortable typing experience and a unique hand feel. It has a chiclet type keyboard with stylish ultra slim design of keyboard and mouse. Only one USB port will be used in your laptop or PC because there is only one receiver for the keyboard and mouse. Two batteries are provided with the combo, one for each keyboard and mouse. The small size battery, which is AAA type, is to be used in keyboard and the big sized AA type battery is to be used in mouse. Actual price at which it is available in the offline market is 1000 Indian rupees. On online platform, it's a bit overpriced. I will share the link in description if you wanna purchase it online. So I have come to the conclusion that it worth the asking price.
मजा आया.
So guys, hope the video will help you buy this combo. If you enjoy watching videos like this one on devices and gadgets, please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for viewing. We'll see you in the future video. Until then, be safe.
Bye bye. Tata.